guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wild Survival, taking an opportunity to do a real quick video here. Just roaming around doing some errands, and I stopped real quick just to get out and stretch my legs. And what do I find? Wild garlic. Now, it's basically the same as the garlic you buy in the grocery store as far as what you can use it for. You know, for the flavoring agent for a lot of different foods. It's antifungal, antibacterial, I believe antiparasitic. It's definitely a wild medicinal as well as a wild edible, but most people are mostly concerned about the wild edible part, and adding it to your diet will certainly impart those health benefits on you pretty much, you know, as a secondary effect. So it's a good one to know about. So the little bulbs right now, it's pretty early in the spring. This smells very strongly of garlic. It's not a mild smell. You could smell it from a few feet away probably. It's garlic. It's not mild at all. And those bulbs will get bigger, and seed pods will come up later in the year that you can also use. And the green parts really are the best part to use through most of its life cycle, because it carries the same flavor, the same properties, the same everything, but you're not using the bulbs, so it'll grow back pretty quickly. Now, I'm standing on the bank of a little river. Most of the time, if you find wild garlic, there's going to be water nearby or pretty close. It doesn't like wet soil. It likes damp, drained soil, well-drained soil. But it's pretty much always near water of some kind. So that's pretty much your hint of where to look around. And if you see something sticking out of the ground like that, it almost looks like grass, but it's just different enough to pull your attention to it. Nothing toxic that I'm aware of anywhere in my country smells anything like garlic. Onion and garlic are very distinctive smells. The whole family doesn't really have any toxic lookalikes that carries their smell. So if it smells like garlic, it is definitely garlic. You don't have to worry about any toxic lookalikes. However, they do grow around a lot of plants that are extremely toxic. So you have to be very careful when you're wild collecting them that you only get the bulbs and the leaves from the wild garlic plant. Nothing nearby, because there are plants that grow nearby that will kill you. So that, like I say, kind of a short video. That's pretty much what we have on wild garlic. You guys have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay wild.